The September housing market stats are showing that all 4 of our local markets are in a balanced state. I'll provide you with a detailed analysis of the Guelph market, but first let's take a look at some of the key metrics of our local markets relative to September of last year. In Guelph, the median sale price was $787,250, which is up by 2.2%. The average sale price per square foot was $480, down by 7.7%. The total number of listings was 334, up by 7.4%, and the total number of sales was 130, up by 25%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $701,000, up by just a touch. In Waterloo, it was $750,000, up by almost 1%, and in Cambridge, it was $724,000, down by just 0.2%. September brought interesting trends to the Guelph real estate market, with shifts that both buyers and sellers should take note of. Home sale prices in the city rose by 2.2% compared to the same time period last year, signaling steady growth for homeowners looking to sell. However, the average price per square foot dropped by 7.7%, which suggests that while overall prices are climbing, buyers might just be getting more value for their money when it comes to the size of their home. The number of listings also rose, with 334 homes hitting the market, an increase of 7.4% relative to September of last year. This expanding inventory offers more options for buyers who may be waiting for more favorable terms and times to enter the market. Despite this increase in listings, demand remains strong as Guelph saw a 75% increase in the number of sales, with 130 homes sold in September. This indicates that buyers are still eager, even with more homes available, which is a positive sign for sellers. For buyers, this means more options to choose from and possibly more space for your investment, given the drop in price per square foot. However, with sales on the rise, competition for well-priced homes could still be fierce. Sellers, on the other hand, can take heart in steady price growth, but should be aware that increased inventory means that they'll need to make sure that their properties are priced properly and presented strongly. In summary, Guelph's real estate market in September showcases a balanced environment. Both buyers and sellers have opportunities in this market, but success will depend on understanding the evolving trends and acting strategically. Thanks for joining me today, and reach out anytime if you're thinking about making a move or would like to talk about the market in more detail. Have a great day.